357, 355.27. Let's see what do you do. You're out there, 351 even, 351 feet even for Evan Davis. You got the option of taking it. Jeremy, no stranger to the Highland County Fair track here in Hillsboro. You may remember a truck back in the day called the Razor's Edge, very similar. 339.14 for Jeremy. Good to see him back here. See what Craig can do? Jump up, and of course you had to do some changes. So this was Barney Hall out of Greenfield. Go home, man. Good run. Up for second place there, 346.60. 346.60. Somebody good pass there, 313.34, 313.34, full hop. Good run, 321.53, 321.53 for Brad Hayes, or later, that's Ash Mambo. Good lap, that can do. Truck there. I think they pulled the kill switch there on it. 305.42, 305.42. truck world, farm world. This is Derek Amos right here at the Recycled Hooker out of Michigan Town, Indiana. Good run. 335.04. 335.04. I definitely want to put him up with a funny there. First one up here, Michael Christopher out of Paris, Kentucky. Calls it the No Hold Back Dodge. Their 2.6 diesel truck class here. He's a test puller. 302.82. Reset the sled, he's the test puller, he's got the option. 282.44, 282.44. A little different. Good there. That's one right. That normally doesn't happen to that truck. I think the turbo just went kaput. 248.88. 248.88. Always getting there. Need a tow vehicle? It's going to drive they do. Whoa, might have broke something there. Might have broke something. I think he's still broke. Yeah. Nice straight pass down there. 3 317.68. 317.68. And these are new Ohio circuits. They do a split deal, co-sanctioned, and this truck is one of the top ones. We have a new leader, 318.03. 318.03. 26.1 mile an hour. Do what Terry can do. 97 black, straight on. .38. 299.38. I'd like to thank Jenkins Components. He is your new leader, 318.61, 318.61. Iowa Bluegrass attempts to come up here and roll with these guys as well. We have a new leader. 319.93, 319.93. All right, see what Josh can do here. Out of Petersburg, the Gold Digger. .31, 294.31 for Josh. The question is, better check under the hood, because that does not sound like a power truck. Might have issues. It did not sound like that when it was our first time. That's it. All right. I think you might have figured it out, so let's see what happens.